welcome back to my channel. I am Carlo Gechkome, an Enugu-based fashion designer. So I'm here at the market to buy things I'll use and prepare abacha because I forgot that most private businesses don't open on Mondays, being sit at home. Earlier on, my cravings for abacha had already taken me on a futile search for where to eat it. But with all the disappointments, I decided to make it myself. Highest thing, I will buy an anti-purging pill afterwards. I commit my belly in the hands of the Lord. So guys, follow me back to the market. $500. You're good in the room.
Why is it looking like ash?
Yes, it's ash.
That isn't to eat food.
No, potash. Potash is potash. So I paid for all I picked and headed over to the fish seller, who at first shocked me with the size of fish she brought. But later she brought a better size, which I bought and headed home. At home, I started by washing the fish, which I simmered later. Then proceeded to frying them, because abacha is better served with fried fish. So here are the other things I bought at the market: pepper, tomatoes, oba, onion, efuru, oda, otaze, ogiri, and crayfish. I proceeded to slicing the otaze leaf. Afterwards, the onions. Then my tomato. And the dangerous part, slicing pepper with my hands. I pray I don't touch myself with these hands because it will be madness afterwards. So everything is now set for the preparation. Meanwhile, here is the ash I bought at the market. I had to put it inside an empty bottle of water, filled it with water because it's the water I need. With warm water set to soak the dry abacha for some seconds, I sieved it out and set it aside and started with few tablespoons of red oil. Then I added 2 spoons of ncha and stirred. I'm actually preparing the ngo. That's the sauce I will mix the already soaked abacha in. Then some slices of onions, very tasty in abacha, very. I added my oba, you know that one now. Then pepper and some of that efuru and oda. Then I stirred again, and my ogiri. This thing looks like preparing jollof rice, I swear. Anyway, let's be going. Then I added the abacha itself. And stirred to the whole thing mixed properly. I added crayfish. Remember, I'm using the pot I used to simmer fish. So not adding salt or extra seasoning cube, no, because we need to eat and stay healthy. And guys, here's our result. Wow. What do you think about this? I don't know. I didn't think I could get to this extent. This one didn't even wait, but you can actually join him in my next video. If you are in Enugu, you can indicate what local dish you want us to make. We can fix a date and make it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your thoughts about this video and my other videos in the comment below. And if you've not subscribed, please do that. Don't stop liking, sharing, and commenting. To all my existing subscribers, thank you and stay tuned. Bye.